Hello my dear friends, today we are going to be solving this problem. Log to base 25 of 4x squared is equal to logarithm to base 5 of 3 minus x squared. So let's go through this and see how we can solve it. Now to begin with, we are going to change to the same base. So this is base 5 and base 25. So it is always proper to change to the smallest base in the expression. So we shall be changing everything to logarithm to base 5. So now this is the one that is not in base 5. So we are going to assume that this left hand side is equal to W. And applying the rules of logarithms, that would mean that if this is equal to W, then 4x squared is equal to the base, which is 25 to power W. Now it's my time to take logarithm to base 5 both sides. So that means I'll have 4x squared with a log to base 5 and this side log to base 5. Now what does that mean? This is going to give us W moving behind the logarithm, and the moment we continue, we see that we can express this 25 as 5 squared. So again, we shall have W logarithm of 5 squared logarithm to base 5. Okay? Yes, so let's move and see how we can get that W. So W, we find that if we move again this 2 behind the logarithm, it will become 2W logarithm of 5 to base 5. So remember, this is the left hand side, and therefore we know that if we have logarithm of a number to base of the same number, then that whole logarithm is equal to 1. So meaning, if we apply that, we'll find ourselves having W, so we can cancel this and that, and then ourselves will have logarithm to base 5 of 4x squared out of 2 will now be the whole of this. So now let's substitute in the whole equation. So what do we have here? So this is what we have. This is out of 2, so it becomes a half. When we move it to the other side, it becomes to power a half, so it becomes square root. And from there we get the here we get a quadratic equation.